plants out there, trees and shrubs and perennials, that will grow quite happily under acidic soil conditions. So that will be the focus, and that will be a co-authored book. Okay, the other author is a good friend of mine, Jamie Ellison from Nova Scotia. So between the two of us, hopefully we'll have a really nice book. And then, of course, right after that will be favorite trees and shrubs for Atlantic Canada. Right? So never a dull moment, never a dull moment. But again, getting back to this particular book, I know as gardeners, you know yourselves, when you go out and you look for a particular book on gardening, most of the times, or almost all the times, the books are either written for the United States, or if they are written in Canada, it's very Ontario-centric, right? I mean, understandably so, that's where most of the population of the country lives, and they have sort of a climate that's sort of, I guess, sort of somewhat of an average, we'll say, for the country. But as gardeners here in Atlantic Canada, you know that we have our own challenges when it comes to gardening. Here in Newfoundland, even more so than the other maritime provinces. But I geared the book for all of Atlantic Canada. I think, you know, we sort of all have a lot of similarities in the fact that we're surrounded and or at least covered on several coasts by ocean. So that has a huge influence and impact upon our growing conditions here. So we wanted to have a book, like I said, that would be geared towards us here in the Far East of Canada. And hopefully gardeners here from Atlantic Canada will appreciate this particular book and buy it. That's the whole bottom line, I suppose. So again, thank you very much for coming. And like I said, I'm here. There's lots of food. Help yourself. Peruse through the other books if you so desire. And with any luck this time next year, I could be back here again. Thank you very much.
Thank you.